All right, hello, hello, hello. This is Dread Crypto Channel coming at you. It's June 30th, 2022. We're in the middle of this dump. Wonderful. Likely contributed to multiple factors. One of them, 3 Arrows Capital, is being court ordered to liquidate assets, and I bet a lot of this is them liquidating their assets and it's going on the order books, and hopefully it gets bought up. There isn't a whole lot of volume on this move. Looking at the 4 hour, it's not like it doesn't look like our other capitulations. So for the moment, it doesn't look so bad. Like there's a lot more volume here, a lot more volume here. This is not a whole lot of volume. So if we could somehow hold above like 18.5, 18K, the 17.5 being the bottom, maybe we make a double bottom reversal. Slash W pattern to go on up, but we do need to hold above these levels. And I feel like that's the more probable scenario. A lot of people were talking about the Adam and Eve pattern, um, which already played out pretty much. So I guess they were. So I guess we'll get rid of this inverse head and shoulders that obviously got invalidated. I still think 24, 25K is in play currently. It'll get there eventually, but a lot of people call it the Adam and Eve pattern. There's this pyramid and then this rounding off, and it already hit the target. But if we do round out here and come on back up, then we'll be making an inverse Adam and Eve pattern. Now that could be a bullish reversal, and that would be a lot more powerful, and that would give us a target, 25 to 28K. So something to look out for. When the markets have been completely brutalized, they continue to be brutalized, and we just had the worst 6 month quarter or 6 months in the stock market since they said 52 years or something like that. I was like, wow, that's pretty crazy. I believe Nasdaq and tech stocks have never had this worse of a first 6 months in a trading year. So take that as you will. Bitcoin isn't in its worst. This is the worst drawdown it's ever seen. The weekly RSI is like it's like on a new level. It's like even going even further down than ever before. I'll show you. Yeah, we just did we already had the lowest ever, and now we're going even further down. So how much more can it take, really? That's kind of where I'm at. But apparently the monthly candle is really ugly. We're having like the lowest monthly RSI ever. So how could it, we're just gonna get worse and worse, I guess. Again, pardon me, I was ranting a little yesterday, but I think this is a coordinated attack. Even like government officials, government with corporations, they're trying. Maybe they're not trying to kill crypto, but seems coordinated. They're trying to make the U.S. dollar stronger, and they want. I don't know what they want. Who knows? They want more power, like everybody. I did see that one of my holdings, Numerera, went up crazy this morning. I took more than half of that and I put it into Bitcoin. I don't feel bad about it. But yeah, there are some cryptos that have been popping, so it's worth checking on them. I thought that there was going to be a bunch of CPI data released today. I've been trying to find it, and no one was talking about it, but there was a big dump this morning, first thing in the stocks and crypto. So I don't know if it has something to do with that or not. Couldn't quite figure it out. Crypto Fear and Greed Index yesterday finished at 11. I guarantee it's going to be like at least like an 8 or 9 today, probably like a 6 or 7. So more blood in the streets, more worry, more fear. But again, there really isn't a whole lot of volume to today's dump yet, and it seems to me like that's probably over with. But we will have to see about that. I really just wanted to do a quick update. Again, we just really want to hold above 17.5, 18, 18.5. We want to create a double bottom as a bullish pattern that would really help to create a consolidation. Maybe we shoot up 26, 27, 28, and coming down to 24, and then just range bound for the next rest of the year. That'd be fine. But we need this pain to stop. I don't know how it's going to stop. how it's going to happen. All the crypto lenders. I mean, I hold some on Voyager. I had some on Celsius. So I'm hurting a lot in those regards. Voyager's fine for now, but a lot of people were saying this is the death of the CeFi, the lending platforms, and seeing a lot of that on crypto YouTube, and that's kind of signals to me that there's capitulation in people. Like, it's just when people are saying it's the end or it's dead, like maybe that's actually just a bottom, and the strong will survive. So let's hope everything will work out. I believe FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, who's the guy basically rescuing some of these firms, um, I think he officially bought out BlockFi. Not sure. There's a lot of FUD out there. There's a lot of crazy news articles, so I really don't know what to believe. I want to do more research over the next 24 hours. But the good news is this first 6 months was brutal. There's a good chance that the next 6 months will not be as brutal. It's a good chance we probably had just the worst 6 months ever. There's a good chance we're at least going to have some kind of bounce in July at the very least, and it'll probably get better from here. But it's going to require the Fed to pivot or some good positive news. Let's hope we get it. Anyway, that's it for me today. Good luck. Hang in there. I'll check back in tomorrow.